Hi, in this video we will learn about decision making using if statements. If statements can be used in multiple ways. The first and the simplest way of using if is a simple if block. Inside a if block, first we write the if, inside that we write the condition that we want to check. If the condition is true, then the code inside the if block will be executed. The second method is if else statement. This gives the option to choose between if and the else part. If the if condition is true, then the code inside if block will be executed. If the if condition is false, then the code inside else will be executed. The third type is if, else if and else. Inside this, when the code inside if is false, then it will go to the else if part, and if the code inside else if is also false, then it will go to the else part. Now let us see a practical implementation of if decision making. To learn about if statements, first we have declared a variable val with value 8. Then inside the if we are checking if val is equal to 5. So this is not equal to 5. So it will not enter the if block. Now to see whether this will enter the if block when the values of val and 5 are equal, we'll change the val to 5. Now 5 is equal to 5. So this will enter the if block and print hi I exist. If the value of val is 8, then this will not be equal, and still if you want to print something else if it is not equal, then what we'll do is we'll write the else statement. So if val equal to 5, then this will enter the if block. Otherwise, if it is not equal to this, then it will come out of the if and it will go to else. So 8 is not equal to 5 and it is printing I exist. Now if you want to add one more condition or any more conditions, to use else if, first it will check the if condition. If the if condition is not satisfied, then it will check the else if condition. If the else if condition is also not satisfied, then it will come to the else part. So now 8 is not equal to 5, so this condition will not be executed. And 8 is also not smaller than 5, so else if will not be executed. It will again execute else. So now let us make value val less than 5. So we can make it 3. Now 3 is less than 5, so this will be executed. So it will write this is else if. This is how we can use decision making in our programs. Thank you.